Hello student, I am Shivam sir. Welcome back to another important video. Today I am telling you pH scale. What is pH scale? Who give this pH scale? In which year this pH scale is given? By which brilliant scientist? So these questions were created in your mind, students. So I am telling you pH scale. A Danish biochemist Sorensen in 1909 devised a scale known as pH scale. Again listen to me. A Danish biochemist Sorensen in 1909 devised a scale known as pH scale. After this, look here. pH scale. Danish biochemist Sorensen in 1909 devised a scale, gave a scale known as pH scale. This scale represents hydronium ion concentration of solution. pH scale represents hydronium ion concentration of solution. Okay. After this, next point is pH of solution. What is pH of solution? In pH, the letter P stands for, in pH, the letter P stands for potenge. In pH, the letter P stands for potenge, which meaning in German is power. In pH, the letter P stands for potenge, which meaning in German is power. So, pH means power of hydrogen. Power of hydrogen. So, pH means power of hydrogen. Now, question is, what is pH scale? Define pH scale. So, I have told you what is pH scale. You know very well. Danish biochemist Sorensen in 1909 devised a scale known as pH scale. After this, pH of a solution. In pH, the letter P stands for potenge. Potenge means, in German means power of hydrogen. So, meaning of pH is power of hydrogen. After this, pH of solution. pH is equal to minus log hydrogen ion concentration, and base we can take here 10. So we can say definition. First listen, after this I am telling you. Definition is a negative logarithm to the base 10. This bracket is called concentration. You have to know this bracket is called concentration. So we can say negative logarithm to the base 10 of hydrogen ion concentration. Again listen. The negative logarithm to the base 10. The negative logarithm to the base 10 of hydrogen ion concentration is called pH of solution. pH of solution is equal to minus log base 10 hydrogen ion concentration. If we take this minus sign here, then we get minus 1, and minus 1 coming downward become plus 1. So we can write it log base 10 1 upon hydrogen ion concentration. Listen one times. This minus come here, then we get hydrogen ion concentration power minus. Now this power minus become plus in downward. So we can write it 1 upon hydrogen ion concentration. Look here. Negative, the negative logarithm of hydrogen ion, plus means ion, and bracket is called concentration, hydrogen ion concentration. Negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration, or we can also say the negative logarithm to the base 10, to the base 10, or the negative logarithm to the base 10 of hydrogen ion concentration. Hydrogen ion concentration is called pH of solution. Okay, students. Now after this I am telling you some important point related to the normal pH scale contain 0 to 14 number. The normal pH scale contain numbers 0 to 14. So look here, this is a pH scale, and I am telling you some important point regarding pH scale. सुनो मेरी बात, dear student, सुनो मेरी बात. अगर pH है 7, dear student, all of you are A1. If pH is 7, then solution is called neutral solution. Neutral solution. If pH less than 7, solution is called acidic solution. If pH more than 7, solution is called basic solution. Okay, students, so you have to learn these three important points. You know very well pH scale contains 0 to 14. So first we draw a line and numbered it 0 to 14. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now this scale is called pH scale. If pH of a solution is 0, its color is dark red. If pH of solution is 1, it is red. If pH of solution is 2, it is orange. If pH of solution is 3, pink. So in this way, pH of solution 5, then yellow. pH of solution 7, green. pH of solution 9, blue. pH of solution indigo. Here I am indicating some important color. pH of solution 11, indigo. pH of solution 13, then color is violet. So if the pH of solution is 7, solution is called neutral solution. Solution is called neutral solution. If pH less than 7, solution is called acidic solution. After this, pH more than 7, solution is basic solution. Okay? After this, if pH is 7, solution is neutral solution. After this, on moving towards 0. This is the order. On moving from right to left means towards 0. This is the increasing or acidic nature. And after this, from 8 to 14, this is increasing basic nature. And 7 is neutral. Okay? After this, I am telling you, generally solution contain, I am telling you one numerical related to. If the hydrogen ion concentration of a solution is 10 to the power minus 12, if question, if hydrogen ion concentration, hydrogen ion bracket means concentration, you have to write in your brain, hydrogen ion concentration of a solution is 10 to the power minus 7. First, 10 to the power minus 7. Second, 10 to the power minus 11. Third, 10 to the power minus 12. Then calculate pH of solution. Dear student, you know very well formula of pH. pH is equal to minus log hydrogen ion concentration. Now we have to put value. Hydrogen ion concentration is 10 to the power minus 7. In the place of hydrogen ion we can write 10 to the power minus 7 minus log minus 7 into 1 minus minus plus 7 log 10. Value of log 10 is 1. 7 into 1 is equal to 7. Okay. And after this next 10 to the power minus 11. We have to use again formula. pH is equal to minus log hydrogen ion concentration, and put in the place of hydrogen ion 10 to the power minus 11 given in the question. 10 to the power minus 11 minus log minus 11 to minus 1 minus minus, you know formula, log m to the power n is equal to n log m. n log m, your maths teacher taught you in class 9. Minus 11 to minus 1, we get 11 log 10. Value of log 10 is 1. So we can say 11 into 1 is equal to 11. After this, next is 10 to the power minus 12. In the place of hydrogen ion put 10 to the power minus 12. pH is equal to minus log 10 to the power minus 12. Minus 12 into minus 1. Minus minus plus 12 log 10. In the place of log 10 we can write 1. We get 12. Okay students. After this I am telling you other thing. These are the important numerical. If you have any problem then write it comment box. Next point is, if generally a solution contain hydrogen ion and hydroxide ion. Hydrogen ion is denoted by H plus and this is concentration, and hydroxide ion OH minus concentration. If hydrogen ion concentration bracket is concentration, if hydrogen ion concentration equal to hydroxide ion concentration, then pH is 7 and this solution is called neutral solution. If this solution is called neutral solution, if hydrogen ion concentration greater than hydroxide ion concentration, this solution hydrogen ion means if larger hydrogen ion, solution is acidic. So this solution is acidic solution. If hydrogen ion concentration less than hydroxide ion concentration, solution is basic solution. Okay students. After this next point is usage of pH, importance of pH. So usage of pH or importance of pH in everyday life. Next point is importance of pH. First point, this is my body. So first important thing you have to know, what is the pH range of your body, how your body work well. Your body work well in the pH range. pH range for body. Body works within a narrow pH range. Narrow pH range. pH range body. Body works with narrow pH range. Narrow pH range. So narrow pH range is 7 to 7.8. You have to learn it. Our body, your body works in a narrow pH range, that is 7 to 7.8. Next point, in agriculture, in the sector of agriculture, some crops grows well on the basis of their pH. Okay, so in agriculture area, crops works well on the basis of their pH. Example, look here, example is rice. Rice works well. Rice grows well in slightly acidic solution, acidic soil. Acidic soil. So rice grows well in agriculture. Rice grows well. Okay, students, rice grows better. Rice grows better in slightly acidic soil. Rice grows better in slightly acidic soil. After this, sugarcane. Sugarcane grows better in neutral pH soil. A soil whose value is neutral, means pH is 7. After this, citrus fruit. Citrus fruit. Citrus fruit, lemon, orange, grows well in alkaline. Citrus fruit grows well in alkaline soil. In alkaline soil. So, dear student, you have to write all these important points in your notebook. Okay. After this, next point, third point. When pH of our mouth below 5.5, tooth decay start. Tooth decay start. How tooth decay start? दांतों में बदबू, मुंह में बदबू मार कैसे आती है? When pH of our mouth below 5.5. When pH of our mouth below 5.5, then tooth decay starts. So all the time you have to take care of your teeth, because teeth is very important part in your body. The hardest part in our body is tooth's enamel. So look here, if when pH of our body below our mouth, when pH of our mouth below 5.5, then tooth decay start. After this, in digestive system, hydrochloric acid produced in stomach. But when excess amount of hydrochloric acid produced, then irritation, pain in stomach. So in this case, we have to use antacids. Antacids, magnesium hydroxide, that is known as milk of magnesia. Okay, students. If large amount of excess amount of hydrochloric acid produced in our stomach, then we have to a lot of pain or irritation in our stomach. So in this case, we have to take antacid. And antacid is magnesium hydroxide. Okay, MgOH का whole twice. Next, bee sting. Bee sting leaves acid in our body. Bee sting. So next point I have just told you. So there is no requirement to write here, but I am telling you bee sting. Bee sting leaves acid on our body. जो बी स्टिंग होता है, नेटल लीफ स्टिंग, बी स्टिंग, तो ये जब डंक करती हैं बी हमारे बॉडी पे, तो ये हमारे बॉडी पे एसिड छोड़ देती है. उस एसिड का नाम होता है फॉर्मिक एसिड. अंट स्टिंग, अंट आल्सो लीव्स formic acid, HCOOH. So bee sting leaves acid on our body. Okay, so to get relief from bee sting, we have to use sodium hydrogen carbonate, that is known as baking soda. Sodium hydrogen carbonate used to get relief from this bee sting. Okay, which gives formic acid, leaves formic acid on our body. Formic acid formula is HCOOH. So we have to take relief and to take care ourselves. In this case, sodium bicarbonate. Use sodium bicarbonate. And next important point is, when pH of rainwater, when pH of rainwater below 5.6, when pH of rainwater below 5.6, then rain start. That rain is known as acid rain. Acid rain. Acid that contains hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, carbonic acid. Student, I hope that you can understand all the points. Okay, if you have any problem, then write in comment box. like this video, share it to your friends, because lockdown is going on due to coronavirus. A lot of problem created in our city. So share this video to your friends and subscribe my channel. Okay, students.